this is Allison Price with another DIY Wednesday for you, except if you are watching this live within the next few hours, it is actually not Wednesday, it's Thursday. But yesterday I had some prior plans scheduled that I had to tend to, so we're going live today, which is Thursday. And oddly enough, I have had this question twice this week, so I thought, you know what? It's time to do a DIY video on how to make your own foot soak. So all you really need, and I'm going to demonstrate how to do it, but all you need is hot water. Between 92 to 100 degrees is actually ideal, especially if you're going to be looking for this to help ease sore muscles, inflammation, things of that nature. And then you're going to want to just put your feet into a bucket or some kind of container in which you've added the hot water. So think just like bath water, something that's going to be tolerable for your skin sensitivity level. And then to that, you are going to add 1 cup of Epsom salt. Now, Epsom salt is great for soaking the feet. It's great for nourishing the skin. It can help to exfoliate, but it also contains magnesium. And so if you start, searching around on the internet, you'll find some studies that talk about the effects of magnesium to help with muscle soreness and easing inflammation and things of that nature. So at the very base, that's all you need to do for a foot soak. And you can do this in the bathtub. If you don't have time to take a bath, or maybe you don't have a bathtub, you only have a shower, then the foot soak is another really good option. I like to do it sometimes while I'm sitting at my desk, because I'm at my desk, I'm not going to be moving around, so why not just have my feet soaking while I'm doing that? But I'm always going to amp it up a notch when I do things, and I like to add essential oils to mine. Now, you can pick any oils that you'd like. If you're looking for calming and relaxation, things like lavender and frankincense and cedarwood are going to be really nice ones. If you're looking for that kind of spa experience, lavender and eucalyptus is going to be a really good one. Now, you probably wouldn't think about it because it's not the most favorable aroma, but you can add some celery seed oil to your foot soak. So celery seed oil is very cleansing and detoxifying overall to our bodies. So I like to add just a drop or two, and then of course I add other things to kind of mask the smell. You can never go wrong with things like lavender and eucalyptus in a foot bath, okay? But if you're going to add essential oils, what you want to do is add them to your Epsom salt, and then pour that into your water, because the Epsom salt will help the essential oils emulsify within your water instead of just floating on the top, which is what the oils are going to do if you just drip it right in. So I know the sound may be a little hard to hear. I can't plug in my earbud microphone, but I want to show you really what I do. And so I have a container that my kids decorated with 9,000 different stickers. I actually think it was probably sold with the intention of being a trash can, but it was cute, and then my kids decorated it because they love to do these foot soaks too. And pro tip, when your body needs some extra support to its immune system, this is a great thing to do. My kids love to do this, and add oils that are good for immune support. So all you do is you fill this with water. I tried to set this up so you could see. So, let's see, can you see? You're just going to put your feet in, and you're going to let them soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. And you really just want it to come up to the ankle, right around the ankle, so your whole foot is soaking. And just let them sit there, let them soak. When you're all done, towel dry, put some lotion on or some body butter to help moisturize your feet, because remember, your skin is your body's largest organ, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So if you do Epsom salt foot soaks or baths, I would love to know what your favorite combos are if you're adding in essential oils, or if there's other things that you like to add in. There's tons of things you actually can add in, and I think we're going to do some more videos on that in the future. But let me know how you like to do your foot soaks. Throw it down in the comment below. Tag someone who needs this video. And if you haven't grabbed it already, my top 5 DIY recipes to get started with, to get the chemicals out of your home and make them yourself, you can get those at bit.ly/top5D, capital D, capital I, capital Y. Have a good one, everybody.